If you want to know how to use Zelle with Huntington Bank, it's quick and straightforward. First, open your Huntington Bank mobile app or log in through online banking. From the main menu, look for the Pay or Send Money with Zelle option. If this is your first time, you'll need to enroll. Enter your email address or US mobile number and link it to your Huntington account. After enrollment, you're ready to send or receive money. To send money, select a contact from your phone or type in the recipient's email or mobile number. Enter the amount you want to send and tap Review before confirming. The money is usually delivered within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle. If they're not, they'll get a message explaining how to sign up and claim the money. You can also use Zelle to request payments. Just choose Request. Select the contact, enter the amount, and send the request. Remember, Zelle should only be used with people you trust, since payments can't be canceled once sent. Open Huntington's app, enroll with Zelle, and start sending or receiving money instantly. Like, subscribe, and if you have questions, let me know in the comments.